Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the most important part of Windows Server 2012 R2 in terms of practical. Whenever you get work as a network administrator in any organization, the video that I am showing you right now, the practical that I am showing you right now is the most commonly assigned task to any network administrator. Okay, and what's that? That is about group policy objects. Let us briefly discuss what is group policy. See students, as you know, we have created two organizational unit. One is staff and another is students. So if we want to assign any restriction, if we want to make any restriction to all the users who are logging with staff credential, and we want to assign any another restriction, we want to put a restriction if the student is logging into our domain, then you can do all these things using group policy object. Okay, in this video what I am going to show you, I am going to show you whenever any user from our domain, as you know that we have created 4 user in staff organization unit and 4 user in student organization unit. So we have created total 8 users. So what I am going to do right now, I am going to apply group policy object such that if any of the 8 user logging to my domain, that is in.srcomputeraeducation.com, they will get common desktop wallpaper. Okay, they will get a wallpaper that is common. See, right now, when I log into my system, let me show you just a minute. Let me start my Windows machine. And let me log in with staff login, Shaiju. Let's do it immediately. Let this machine start, Windows 10 client. Okay, the machine has started. Let us log in with the staff Shaiju. Okay, let me just go here and do it again. Shaiju, and the password is college1 college2 @123. Let me check whether the password is proper or not. Fine. Let me log in. Now see student, here the desktop wallpaper is the default wallpaper of Windows 10 machine. What I will do settings in server machine using group policy object. So whenever Shaiju or any other staff, okay, Ravinder is there, or any student, Bhavin, Meg, anyone joins login using my domain, in my domain, they will get the common wallpaper. Okay, they will not get this wallpaper. Now, before creating group policy object, let me show you the common wallpaper that we are going to set to all the user in our domain in.srcomputeraeducation. So I had created one folder called wallpaper, and in that wallpaper folder I am having one image that is SR. See here, welcome to computer education domain, welcome to SR computer education domain. This is the wallpaper that is going to be seen as a common wallpaper for all the users in our domain. Okay, you have to remember the image type also. So that is sr.jpg. Okay, my type is png, sorry, sr.png. Okay, because we need that location when we create group policy object. So let me close it. So before creating the group policy object for the common desktop wallpaper, you have to share this folder, okay, in which your wallpaper is placed. So just right click and properties, go to sharing and click on share. We are going to share with everyone so that everyone in the domain can access it, add it, share. They can only read, okay, they cannot change. They can only read. So just click on share. Now this is important. This is the location where our wallpaper is placed. Okay, so just right click that, copy that location and put it in some notepad file, and our name of our wallpaper is sr.png, as I told you before. So this is the final location where our wallpaper is placed, the common desktop wallpaper. Okay, so just make it copy, Control C. Now let us create the group policy object for applying the common desktop wallpaper to all our users in the domain in.srcomputereducation.com. So for that, you have to click on the server manager, then go to tools, then group policy management. See, here is our forest. Group policy management is loading. Let it load. Wait for a few minutes. Now this is our domain in.srcomputereducation. Okay, so expand that. Now in domain we are having only one domain. Expand that. See, I will show you the group policy objects. See, by default this only two group policy objects are there. Okay, so we are going to create one group policy object named common desktop wallpaper. So when I create that, you will see automatically that policy is created, but we have not edited it. So I will show you how to edit that also. So let us create that policy first. So right click on our main domain name, create GPO. Let us give the name common desktop. Okay, we have given the name as common desktop to our group policy object. Click on OK. Now see, here also it is showing, and it will show here also group policy objects. Okay, so right click on group policy object and click on edit. Now we are actually going to tell what our group policy is going to do. That means we are going to apply common wallpaper. Okay, so go to here, user configuration, go to policies, then let me expand that, administrative templates, then go to desktop, then double click here. See, at the right hand side you can see all the desktop group policies that you can apply. So we want a common wallpaper. See, right now it is not configured. Okay, none of them is configured. So double click it. Okay, see here it is not configured. So we'll enable it. Okay, before doing this, let me log on to my client machine. See, right now the client machine is turned off. Let me log on to my client machine with the staff login and password. Shaiju, I am going to log in with the staff user Shaiju. Why I am going to log in right now, I will tell you just a few minutes. Okay, let us go to other user, then Shaiju, and give the password. See, students, right now the wallpaper is like this, the black wallpaper. Okay, you will, if you log in, you will have the default wallpaper by Windows 10 also. But right now I am having this wallpaper. Let me do one thing. Let me log in with Jack. Okay, let me go to here and sign out from the account. Let me log in with Jack, other user, then Jack, and we have changed the password Alibaba1@123. So click on next. See here, you will get this kind of wallpaper. This is a default desktop wallpaper that is used, that is applied by Windows 10. Okay, I will keep this machine running. Let us go to our Windows server machine. Okay, now see, now we are going to enable that common desktop wallpaper. So when I will enable here, by default it should be reflecting here, but at the first time it will not reflect. Why? I will show you. Just a minute. See, now you have to give the wallpaper name. So you have to give the full location. Full location where your wallpaper is placed. Okay, we have given the full location. Let me make it fill. Apply. Now see here, desktop wallpaper policy has been enabled. Okay. So just go to user configuration. There we have applied this policy. Fine. The desktop policy we have applied. We can close this now. Common desktop. Okay, as you can see, we have applied this policy, the common desktop policy. If you want to check, you can check the settings here. Let us go to directly check whether the policy is applied to your client machine or not. See here, student, right now it has not been applied. See, some policies take effect without logging off. Okay, right now this policy has not taken into effect. So what we have to do, we have to log off from this machine. Okay, before that you can apply one policy, you can apply one command, that is go to command prompt on your client machine, gp edit. Okay, gp update. Click on enter. It is updating the policies that we have created. Some policies get updated. Let us see this policy get updated or not. Okay, we have updated computer policy also and user policy also. Let us apply one more command, /force, gp update /force. As you can see, after running the command gp update also, it has not been applied. So if this kind of thing happen, you have to just log off. Okay, you have to just sign out and just sign in again. You can just restart also. Now let us again log into our system, and hopefully this time you should have the common desktop wallpaper that you have applied. Okay, students, as you can see, we have applied this policy. Okay, this desktop group policy object, we have applied a common desktop wallpaper to all the users who are going to join in. Right now I have joined with Jack. Let me do one thing. Let me log out and log in with Shaiju. As you have seen, previously we were having a black screen, a wallpaper by Shaiju. So let us check whether it has been applied to Shaiju user also or not. So go to other, then Shaiju, and let us give the password. Let us check whether the common desktop is applied to Shaiju user also. As you can see, I have not changed the wallpaper. See here, students, this is applied to Shaiju user also. So two staff member I had logged in, one is Jack and one is Shaiju. Both of them are seeing the common desktop wallpaper that we have applied using group policy object in our Windows Server 2012 R2 machine. So this is how you can create group policy. This is how you can apply a common desktop wallpaper to all the users in your domain. Suppose if you are having 1000 users, then also the same policy will be applied. Same desktop wallpaper will be seen to all the users. So I hope, student, this practical is clear to you. Share my video with your classmates so they can also get to know exactly how to apply group policy object easily. We will see in next video. Thank you.